evening, good evening. I'm here to do an unboxing. One of my Mother's Day gifts from my daughter. It's just got here. It's kind of soft and padded. So let's get to it. They got it taped real good, you guys. I've been waiting on this for about a week. So it's finally here. They got it taped up real good. I cut it right too. Oh, let's see. A lot of plastic. A lot of bubble wrap. I gotta get that up later. Let us see what we got here. Whoa, it's a lot of bubble wrap. See, Tammy? A lot of bubble wrap. She's on the phone. She wants to see. I'm just gonna unwrap. Uh-oh, there go one piece. Uh-oh, what is this? Oh, look like some hardware. I got to put it together. Whatever it is, she said I got to put it together. Oh, I see something else. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there goes the rope. Okay, let's see what else is gonna fall out. Oh, wow. I'm getting there. Uh-oh. Ah! It is a grandma. Wow. I lost my scissors. So as you guys know, I am a granny, and I am blessed to have not one grandbaby, not two grandbabies, not five grandbabies. I have seven, let's count, 7 grandboys. No grandgirls. So this is what I got for Mother's Day. And it has, ooh, tell me, it is beautiful. It has all of my grandchildren's name, from the oldest to the youngest. The oldest one is Aiden. The next one is Caden. The next one is Carter. The next one is Jonte. The next one is Asher. The 2 youngest ones are Amari. And the baby of the 7 is Jalen. And the plaque reads, "There's no greater gift than grandchildren." Wow. Thank you. So, let's make this live out of a put together. No instructions though. So, I have the hook. I have no instructions to this. You want me to see your picture? I gotta go through it. Yes. I don't have no instructions to it, guys. So she's gonna send me some pictures. Show me how it looks. I think I got a pretty good idea. of how it looks. I want to say, I don't know. I don't know how it goes. I wonder why they didn't send no instructions. Am I supposed to put a hook here? You guys, I have no instructions, so let's check out. Okay, the hooks go at the top. So these are the hooks. Okay. So let's start right here. Got the engraving. So I got this. And I got hooks that go here. So let me find the hooks, which are these. These are the hooks, guys. So I'm going to screw them down in there. Start like this. Okay. At the bottom is the circles. I'm getting it, you guys. It ain't coming in instructions. Okay, that's the first one. The first name is Aiden. So it's so many of them, y'all. I'm gonna have to screw them all down together. And I'll hang them up there in their order. I'll put all the screws in them first. How about that? I had two grandbabies born in the same year, Carter and Jonte. Carter was born in May. Jonte was born in December of 2019. I got a COVID grandbaby. And you guys don't think I have a whole lot of children. I have 7 grandbabies from 2 kids. The third one hasn't started producing yet. Stay tuned for that. My daughter has 1, my son has 5. But all of them are boys. I mean, she has 2, I'm sorry. She has 2, I forgot about Tutu. I didn't forget about him, but know what I mean. She has 2, and my son has 5. Boy, my hands getting tired. So many grandchildren, my hands getting tired. I'm looking forward to seeing them. 2 by my daughter. They live in, their home is Hawaii, but they'll be in Alabama this coming Tuesday. The 5 are still here, so I'll finally get them all together. Maybe y'all can stay tuned and we'll do a live with them, with me and all banks, with all 7 of them. All right, that's John Tays. Asher's the 20, he the COVID baby. He the COVID grandbaby. Junior was, COVID was already here. We just didn't know nothing about it when Junior was born. I mean, Jonte was born. Let me call him by his first name. Why didn't you put Junior on there? You have no space. Why didn't you put Junior on him?
I ain't put Junior on the last one, did I?
I don't know. Their names were on that one. I'm gonna show you guys the one that I have. It be on my silent line. I'm gonna go get it after I get this one hooked up. This is Asher. Ooh, I got 2 more. Mari. It's Omari, guys. Omari. I just keep saying Mari. Ooh, Lord, Granny. It's a lot of work. You wouldn't be that much work when I have so many of them, right? Did she go with Spencer? Did she end up in the hotel with Spencer?
Mm-mm.
Yes, she did. Because I seen it. That part.
Oh, he went back home to her.
Huh?
He went back home to her.
No, he didn't. I'm going to have to go back and look at it, y'all. And the last but not least, stay tuned, you guys. It's probably going to be some more. So just stay tuned. Watch how it grows. It's probably going to be some more. Who will be next? Dun, 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 dun. Sure won't be Granny. They see they gave extra hooks. They know one more going to be added to it. See? They gave extra hooks. Alright, let's hook them up. Hook them up, hook them up. Hook them up, hook them up. Boom, 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 boom. There they go, you guys. Who failed? Oh boy. I told you it's too many on. Which one on field? Yeah, I can't even get them to act right now. They were hanging. Let's try it again. Voila! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
I'm gonna write Levi and see if he can take Junior and Jalen for pictures.
I got somebody who can do it. All right, you guys. I think where the rope go? Good question. Not right, but all right, you guys, there it is. That's my unboxing. I want to thank you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm fixing to try to stand up, and I don't have nowhere to put it, but I'll find somewhere tonight. Oh. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Those are the grandkids. Thank you to my lovely daughter, Terilyn, for this amazing Mother's Day gift. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy my unboxing. I really love my gift. This is the gift that keeps on giving. All my grandbabies. Y'all have a good evening. Thank you. Bye.